kum shibanta ka jingpang kre ka Christmas ka kanhun kinong tray ki bana secretariat bala tep kum ka Meghalaya Secretariat Services Association MSSA ha khatsan tray kum pra arjapsan kala pulang ka advance Christmas celebration ka badairu ka sin ka banukong ha Suso Thams Auditorium Shillong haswa kani ka association kala pulang jingyalang bania taya thir aro ki kam ki cham chong association ha kani singi lawan men shimanta du ba Frederick Arkhor Kongor Commissioner and Secretary Kementerian Arts and Culture Kesorkar Jela Kumu Kongsan Harangkat Kejingidan Lang Uba L.E. Suchang Presiden ke MSSA Uba Biki Tariang Vice President Kinongtrai ke Secretariat Lar Kiwe Pan Habai Jingran Uba F.R. Kharkungor Ulong Ba ke MSSA ke Budlum Ke Bapentelo Ni Kikam Secretariat Bakumta Ula Kentui Ki Bal Dan Selama Kekam Ban Penilenti Syek Bedang Rung Thmai Ban Trai Bhai Kikam Jongki.
I would also like to share with you that I have great respect for the Secretariat Service Association because you are not only the backbone, but you are the operational backbone. Without you, the government will stop because you are the people who turn the wheels of the government, and often some of you stay late into the night and some even come during holidays to ensure that the wheels of the government do not stop churning, do not stop moving. And not only are you the backbone, but you are the operational backbone. Many a time you are the first responders during times of emergency, and many a time you are the repositories of experience. Because officers, we come and go, we get transferred from one department to another, some of us retire, but some of you have domain knowledge and institutional memory, which are a great resource and also contribute a great deal to the learnings and to the understandings of how the government systems work. Another comparison which I would like to use is that you are the tipping point of the spear. You know, the spear has got a sharp edge, and the spear has got a pointed part, and you are the tipping point of that. You are the tip of the spear, and often it is with your incisive notes and with your experience, with your expertise that you guide and that you bring together new facts and figures which help the government to move forward. And of course, I would urge the senior members of the association to also guide the younger, and the younger members who have just joined in, to guide them in how government process works. And also I would like to request the younger members who have just joined in with the exposure to technology, with their, with the new tools that they have learned, to also work hand in hand and hold hands together with the senior colleagues so that the government moves together seamlessly as part of smart government. As we all know, we are using many tools of technology now. We have e-proposals and we have digital governance, which is now there to stay. And I'm sure that the younger members, as well as with the more senior members, they blend very well and ensure that, like two wings of a bird, we cannot have only one wing flying, but if we have the two wings of the bird flying, both a blend of experience and youth, together the MVSSA and the officers are like the two wings of the bird. And if the two wings of the bird can fly together at the same speed, then the wheels of the government, the functions of the government will not only fly, but they will soar. And we are all here in service of the public, in service of the people of the state, to ensure that we are able to deliver services in time and effectively as well as efficiently. That having been said, I would like to congratulate the MVSSA that this is the very first time that they are organizing this Advanced Christmas program, and from the overwhelming response that you have witnessed in this first edition, I'm sure that MVSSA will now make it an annual affair, and that more members will be joining, and that you'll have more activities and more exciting programs that we lined up in the years to come. While saying this, I would like to offer my very best wishes and our blessings to each and every one of you as you reconnect with your families, those of you who are going to your villages and to your homes outside Shillong, those of you who are in Shillong, that you will reconnect and you will join with your loved ones in festivity and with warmth, and you will feel refreshed and energized when you rejoin back to work next year with with the goodwill and with the friendship and with the many positive feelings of companionship and of togetherness and the joy of family and peace.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.